This is Scarlet and Teddy's dark blue collar male. This is Kramer. Kramer is available. Got a little nose boogie. Mom is 10.5 pounds and 10.5 inches, and Dad is 8.9 pounds and 10 inches. So he should be a big toy poodle. It's okay, baby. It's okay, buddy. Yeah, look at you. You're being such a good boy. You're such a good boy. All of our puppies do keep their long, natural tails. We do not believe in docking puppy tails. It's okay. Yeah. This litter is our Seinfeld litter. Him and his brother George are still available. This litter was born on July 25th, and they are ready to go to their new loving homes on September 19th. They will be vet checked, microchipped, 2 bags of puppy food, their first puppy shot, a folder, a thank you bag, our business card, their puppy, they use Diamond Naturals, and Diamond Naturals gave them a brochure and a little Dear Puppy paper to read. They come with 30-day free insurance through Trupanion. And we do have ground transportation companies on our website at Newsome's Royal Canines and Kittens.com. We have a Facebook page, a TikTok page, and a YouTube channel.